What's up guys, I am Stocksniper Mike with the Stocksnipers, and today we're going to go over our monthly recap for the month of March. And what a month it was! The Snipers were able to win a total of 73% of our trades, profiting $8,400 plus. So great work as a sniper team, because the overall market continued to fall. The overall market has continued to drop since the beginning of 2022, and that's why we emphasize on sniping and not holding and hoping these stocks. As a stock sniper, we only stick to 5 patterns that we look to buy day in and day out, and this month was special because we only stuck to 3 of those patterns. Our favorite one being the first green day pattern, the second favorite one being the first red day pattern, so exactly opposite of that first green day, and that last one being a multi-month breakout where we only played a couple of those in the month of March. But one of the things I want to point out about the month of March is we were able to profit most of our profit, $6,600 of our $8,400 off of hot sectors. And that's why we emphasize on taking advantage of what's hot and what's not in the stock market. Now, there were actually 4 different sectors that were hot in the overall market in the month of March, and the snipers were able to take advantage of every single one of those. The first one was the good old cannabis sector, as we got a nice bill that came out and was approved to federally legalize marijuana, and now the bill is going up to the Senate. So we're approved in the House, and now we're going up to the Senate in the upcoming months to see if marijuana could be federally legalized in the upcoming year. We were able to go 2 for 2 on the cannabis plays, making over $1,100 in the month of March. The next hot sector is really a hot thing in the current world, and that's what brings the hot sectors. This is oil. Oil is becoming a hot commodity. As you can see, it's a lot more expensive to go fill up your gas. My Jeep just turned from $60 to $100. Absolute bullshit, but whatever, it is what it is, and we have to deal with it and live with it. All because of what's going on with the Ukraine and Russia war. No one wants to do deals with Russia anymore, so now we have to find oil elsewhere, which is driving the price up. So we still have a lot of demand for oil, but not as much supply, and that's what drives the price up here. We took advantage of that hot sector as the oil stocks were going up with the oil price, and we were able to profit 5 out of 6 trades, making over $1,600 in the oil sector in the month of March. The next one is a hot one and our favorite one of the month, because we actually traded the same stock in it, and we were able to go 3 for 3 on this one stock. Big shout out to Mullen, M-U-L-N, the EV car maker that says we're gonna see one of their cars in 2023. Who knows if that's gonna be a real thing, but we were able to take advantage of the hot EV sector momentum as Tesla was able to get back above $1,000 and get a nice run. We actually bagged 3 for 3 over $2,300 in MULN, all on first green days leading up to second green days. So big shout out to MULN, and hopefully we see your cars on the streets one day. And the last sector was not really a sector, but it kind of was the overall market being how volatile it was. It dropped for about the whole month of March in anticipation that the feds were going to raise interest rates. Then when the Fed had their meeting and finally raised interest rates, the market went wild and actually bounced for 10 straight upward green days. Unbelievable bounce that we got to see in March, and the snipers were able to take advantage of those plays with options. After the big multiple green day run, we knew that the stocks had to fade eventually, and we were able to go 5 for 6 on puts to close out the month there, profiting a total of $1,400 on puts. So as a whole, we were able to profit $6,600 out of our $8,400 from hot sectors, and that's why we emphasize jumping on them when they come around. To find what's hot and what's not, and to take advantage of all these sniper patterns, we highly recommend you checking out the team and joining us at www.thestocksnipers.com. Or you could check us out in the App Store or Google Play under Stocksnipers. We got a great community of traders ranging from beginners all the way to millionaire traders, all in one chat room, one group with one goal to get rich together. Hopefully you guys are able to profit with us next month. I'll meet you guys back here for another monthly review for the month of April next month. See ya, Stocksniper Mike. out.